Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Binance Hedge mode. This powerful feature lets you open both long and short positions on the same asset simultaneously. It's incredibly useful for managing risk and taking advantage of market movements in both directions. We'll walk through the steps to activate it and show you how to place your first hedge trades, making complex strategies much more accessible. To begin, log into your Binance account and head over to the Futures Trading section. Look for the Settings icon, usually in the top right corner of the trading interface. Within these preferences, you'll find an option for Position Mode. Simply click on it and choose Hedge Mode from the available selections. Confirm your decision, and you're all set to start hedging your trades. With Hedge Mode active, you can now place your trades. For example, you might open a long position if you expect the price to rise. Then, to protect against unexpected downturns, you can open a short position on the very same asset. Each position will be treated independently, allowing you to set separate stop loss and take profit orders for both your long and short trades. Hedge mode provides significant advantages, offering greater flexibility for more sophisticated trading strategies. It's particularly effective in volatile markets, helping you mitigate potential losses by balancing your exposure. This approach allows for more nuanced risk management, giving you better control over your portfolio. Remember to check the description for a link to Darn Tough Socks and other great deals. They're truly worth it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.